Alright, this is Lev Mills. I'm at 7063 Grinder Court in Austell. Just want to give you a quick tour here of the home. Nice stone front, beautiful neighborhood, quiet, a lot of kids. So it's a really family-oriented street. First thing you'll notice coming here are the hardwood floors. Just had the home cleaned, ready for occupancy. You have a nice living room area here with a ceiling fan. Nice archway. Have nice wood accent cabinets in here in the kitchen. Also, you'll notice that there is some really nice accents here as far as track lighting in the kitchen. It's a nice open area with a bay window so you can have tables and chairs here. Have a nice little breakfast area. Okay. There's a nice half bath downstairs here. And going into a nice little sitting room, living room here. I'm also going to take you out to the deck here. It's a nice private deck. It's a huge deck, actually. For you have your barbecues, have your family over, and it's a beautiful community, nice and quiet, very peaceful. And then there's a second floor. I'm going to head upstairs. Nice accent wood staircase here leading upstairs. This is the master suite here. Just had the carpet done, and it's huge master suite. There's even a little storage area to the side there. This home also has a security system, so you can get ADT or whatever security system that you're accustomed to. A nice double vanity in the master. Huge garden style tub. And you'll notice the nice stone accent here for the shower, and even a curved shower rod there. And then there's a walk-in closet here. Huge walk-in closet. Going to another nice sized bedroom here. Closet there. That's bedroom number 2. Here's bedroom number 3. Another good sized bedroom. There's a ceiling fan here and a nice sized closet. You also have a full bath upstairs. And bedroom number 4 with a ceiling fan. And there you have it, folks. This is Lev Mills with Keller Williams. My number is 678-590-5999. That's 678-590-5999. And give me a call. We are motivated, looking for a nice tenant to move into this beautiful home. So give me a call today.